Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I was going out with my friend and I decided to film it. The hair that I'm using today will be from Allove hair. It is a 4x4 body wave lace closure wig and it is in 24 inches, and I decided to add some crimps to it. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair and I blow dried it, and now I'm just going to flatten the top with my wax and my hot comb to make sure that closure is super flat. So now it's time for the crimps. The trick to having crimps that last is the pump it up spray. Crimps fall so easily, so you're going to want to make sure that you have something to, hold them up. And you do not want to drench the section in the pump it up spray. You just want to spray the front and the back. You still want to have some type of looseness to the hair, so you don't want to drench the section. Just a couple of sprays on the front section and then go in on the back section with the pump it up spray. These crimps did not take me long at all. Sometimes crimps can seem like they take forever, but I did do big sections. I did not want a lot of crimps, so I did go in with the big sections, so it made the process super fast. Oh yeah, and before you start crimping, after you spray, you're going to want to make sure that it dries a little bit so it won't be so stiff. You're going to want to make sure you just let it dry a little bit before you start crimping. As you can see there, I tried to crimp and just a lot of sizzling started happening. So make sure you let it, dry a little bit before you go in with the crimper. And crimping can seem a little bit overwhelming, what do I do? But it's super easy. As you can see here, all you do is crimp a section, and wherever the last crimp is in the last section is where you'll start the new crimp. So it's super easy. Once you do it a few times, it's super easy to catch on. There's nothing to it at all. Now I'm going in to apply the wig. I'm just doing some alcohol because my face was feeling really oily. I had washed it and everything, but was still feeling a little bit oily. So I just took some alcohol to make sure the glue stuck. And then now I'm just going to do one layer of glue because I don't plan to wear the wig long at all, but I still wanted it to look pretty good for my night out. So I'm just doing literally one layer of Isha bonding glue. And then while I let that dry, I did start on my eyebrows. And now that the wig is applied, I'm doing baby hairs, and the gel that I used for my baby hairs is the green Eco Styler gel. I'll leave the direct one that I used in the description box. sure to check out the description box for all of the information on this wig from Allove Hair. So now it's time for makeup. I'm going in with my Morphe 35G palette, and I knew that I wanted to do just a brown smoky eye. It was super easy to achieve this look, and I just used that orangey shade as like my base shade and my transition color, and then I'm going in with the darkest brown in the palette, and I put that all over my lid, and I just made sure to blend it out very well. I really wish this was a talk through video, then I would have been able to go over, each product that I was using, but I'm going to make sure I leave all the information down in the description box, and I'll tell you guys which products I'm using as we go. But yeah, I was rushing and I did not have time to explain every product that I was using. You guys know how it is though. So I did put on eyeliner off camera. I was in such a horrible angle trying to put that eyeliner on, and I used the Balm Swing eyeliner. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. As you can see, like, it looks so matte and it created such a good wing. And now I'm doing foundation. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and this is in the shade NC50. Now I am going to highlight. I'm using my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in this shade Caramel, and then I'm going in with a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And these lashes that I'm wearing, I will leave them down in the description box. I can't think of the name off of the top of my head. And I sprayed my damp beauty blender with my Morphe Matte Finish Setting Spray. To set my highlight, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder, and this is in the shade Golden Beige. To contour, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder in NW45. Here I'm just brushing away the excess powder from under my eye with a small fluffy brush, and this just really makes everything super smooth and seamless. I'm adding some bronzer. This is ABH bronzer, and this is in the shade Mahogany. And then I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix powder, and I'm going to set my entire face and brush off the powder from under my contour. I'm using my MAC eyeshadow in Brown Script as the blush, and then I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses All Over Glow bronzer to highlight. So for lip liner, I'm using my MAC Chestnut lip liner, and then my lip gloss today, I'm using NYX Fortune Cookie. So this is what I'm looking like. This is the final look. I'm sorry I didn't get to talk through. I'm rushing. My friend is on her way to pick me up, so I gotta make this quick. I'm just going to show you guys my outfit. This jumpsuit is from Fashion Nova. I'm wearing my favorite Fashion Nova purse and shoes. I'm either gonna wear black flats or heels, whichever one I wear I will link down in the description box. And I have a jacket also from Fashion Nova as well.